to go ahead, 8-7. And I would like to turn you over once again to the third member of our panel, Michelle Datuin.
Yes, Mosey, medyo off-the-court topic tayo ngayon, ha? Alam naman natin na maraming bakasyon this month. So, pagdating naman sa mga players, medyo hindi natin na-avail yung ganong vacation. Kaya tinanong ko yung ibang players ng Sandago, if given a chance, saan nila gustong magbakasyon. Tinanong ko naman si Nene Bautista, sabi niya, gusto daw niyang umuwi ng Iloilo para daw makasama niya yung family niya at magpahinga lang. Malayo naman sa sagot ni Rhea, Ruby at Jill. Gusto daw nilang magbakasyon sa Thailand. Gusto daw nilang mag-shopping, mamasyal at mag-food trip. Siyempre kasama daw nila si Jeng at to Taiwan para daw meron silang tour guide. Back to you guys.
Ay, laking tawad niyan pag yun ang mga nakipag-usap.
Oo. Ako rin.
Kalahati tawad ka agad.
Bangkok tayo, sama natin.
Dapat nga, nandun ako ngayon eh. Hindi ko nga alam pa dito.
For the love.
Yeah. Love, love, love.
That's right. Well, that's a nice angle in Michelle's report. You know, it makes
Yep.
you get to know some of the players.
Pero ako rin
more.
I agree with Nene. Gusto ko rin naman mag-Iloilo where of course my husband Bong Hills, yung mga relatives niya, syempre doon, nanay, tatay, hello to all of you.
The Ravenna
Yes, the clan in one street. In one street. Yeah.
Talaga?
Kaya fun eh, kasi when you go home, yung cousins are there. Kaya yung mga anak ko rin eh, they really like to go home to Iloilo. Tsaka maraming magagaling na volleyball players dyan.
Ah.
Sa Iloilo.
So, recruitment.
Oo.
Those who want to watch out for potential players, that's a place to go to.
Ay, sa Maison. Bumalik. Nandun na siya.
Really?
Yeah.
Doing what? Okay, anyway. Back to the game.
Hindi ko actually. Siguro, papahinga rin. Alam mo, nakakapagod din yung di ba all these years of playing and going to school?
Hindi. Napagod ka ba? Hindi. Ako hindi.
Gusto ko pa maglaro.
Di ba?
Yep.
Anyway.
Free ball now given to Santago. And Jeng Boli getting the check.
That's right. Santago now attacking, firing at all cylinders, all angles. 11 serving 8. This is Benting. Good serve, Laborde.
Susan gets it through. Laborde.
Bautista. De Leon to Roses. Again.
Kahit hindi si Rhea, connect pa rin. Ruby De Leon and Sue Roses on that running play.
That's right. Timeout. Navy.
Yung depensa pa rin, wala na naman sa pattern. Second ball, kunin mo dyan. Nice one, bebe. Pero yung lugar ng depensa nyo, huwag na iwanan. Ha?
FU Makati is the newest campus of Far Eastern University and is now accepting enrollees for the following programs: BS Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. For more information, call 836-2002 or visit www.fu.edu.ph. Another good serve by Angie Benting. This is Susan. Susan getting that kill for Navy.
That's right, once again. Susan on that last point. Well, so far, Santago, 13 excellent receptions. Navy hanging in there with 12 of their own. Angela Benting in the third set. 4 na attack points already.
Well, I think they're playing too much right now, and missed set there for Ruby De Leon. Miscue with Jeng Boli. Trying to Carpio. De Leon
Just
punches
saving
it.
that one.
Oh, Benting, good receive. Rochina. Sue Rosas is there. Ruby De
Oh,
Leon.
going for the running in, and this time down the line naman. Still successful for Sue. So kahit sino ang i-connect mo kay Sue, pwede.
Oh, they're really going to her. Siya yung first option right now. Coach Roger sensing that the game is in, Sue is in the zone.
Yep.
Another good service.
Even on her second serve.
Rosas again serving.
Oh, that was a floater. And an ace for Sue. Mirabueno now coming in for Joan Potor-Carpio.
That's right, and hopefully she will be the spark plug of Navy. Sue Rosas again serving, 15-10. Another good serve, Mirabueno. Suson. Oh, sorry, the Deposoy. They did not cross, and Sandugo ahead 16-10. Don't go away.